Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
3 weeks. Chill in the refrigerator until pickled as desired. I recommend at least 3 weeks in the refrigerator. Store in refrigerator for up to 4 months. See notes. Or seal jars following the instructions below. The pickled garlic must still be refrigerated. It will not be shelf stable.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Instead, store both hardneck and softneck garlic bulbs in a cool, dry, well-ventilated place in well-ventilated containers such as mesh bags. Storage life is 3 to 5 months under cool, 60 degrees Fahrenheit, or 16 degrees Celsius, dry, dark conditions. When stored too long, the garlic cloves may shrivel or begin to sprout.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.